Hi, my name is MacLaughlin. I'm a senior at Ashleynn High School. I'm a part of Ashleinn's Youth Council, and I am president.
Hi, my name is Shandy Evans. I am a junior at Ashleynn High School, and I am secretary of Ashleinn's Youth Council.
Hi, my name is Lelah Mason. I'm in the 11th grade, and I'm on Ashleynn Youth Council as the treasurer.
I'm Ashleynn Fry, and I am in 12th grade. I'm part of the Ashleynn Youth Council, and my position is vice president.
Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the rich culture of the Confederated Tribes of the Colville Reservation, whose Aboriginal territories span over 39 million acres across parts of Canada, Central Washington, Oregon, and Idaho.
Today, there are about 10,000 tribal members, including many descendants of the original tribes. These tribes include the Okanagan, Methow, Chelan, Wenatchee, Moses Columbia, Nispelum, Sanpoil, Lakes, Colville, and Tiat, Chief Joseph Band of Nez Perce, and Palouse. They share cultural practices and beliefs that have been passed down through generations, forming a rich and diverse identity of Colville tribal people.
The Colville Reservation is located in central Washington, spans 1.4 million acres, and is home to one of the most diverse ecosystems in the region. This area is rich in resources, including an abundance of water, making it vital for tribal people.
The Colville tribal people are often referred to as the Salmon people, highlighting their deep connection to the rivers and lakes within their ancestral territories. This relationship with their water resources goes beyond sustenance. It embodies cultural practices, traditions, and a way of life that has been passed down through generations.
The salmon runs are not just about fishing. They represent a time of celebration and gathering for the community, reinforcing their bonds with each other and with nature. With 18 major bodies of water providing essential cultural significance and resources. The Columbia River is known for its salmon runs, along with the rivers like Sanpoil and Okanagan, offer a wealth of fish that sustain the community.
Lelah Falls, Kettle Falls, and Icicle River were important trade hubs along the Columbia River, where the Plateau tribes and nearby tribes gathered, especially during salmon season. These sites were bustling with activity as fish were harvested and exchanged.
But change came in 1940. The construction of the Grand Coulee Dam submerged Kettle Falls, along with ancestral burial sites.
The ceremony of tears was held to mourn the loss of these sacred fishing grounds. This event was not only a mourning, but also a gathering of tribes across the Northwest, showcasing solidarity and shared grief.
This ceremony symbolized the ongoing struggle for Indigenous rights and preservation of cultural heritage.
The Colville tribes have a unique way of connecting with nature through the seasonal rounds. Each season brings different activities and gatherings that reflect the natural cycles.
For example, October is the time for pine moss gathering, while March signifies the blooming of buttercups. These seasonal changes guide their lives and activities, marking important times for harvesting, hunting, and gathering.
These transitions are celebrated with ceremonies ensuring that the traditions remain alive. It reflects a deep respect for the land and its resources.
During winter, storytelling becomes vital. Stories from the animal people teach traditions and values, shared from the first snow when buttercups pop up from the ground.
Winter dances and ceremonies help maintain spiritual connections. These gatherings are filled with song and prayer, fostering community and healing.
This time is also used for crafting tools and items for the upcoming seasons. The skill of making things from gathered materials is an essential part of the tribal culture.
As spring arrives, it's time for the First Roots Feast. Families gather to harvest roots and celebrate the return of food.
These gatherings aren't just about food. They're social events filled with trading, games, and storytelling. This creates a vibrant atmosphere where traditions are shared and strengthened.
Spring is also significant for naming ceremonies, reinforcing connections to ancestors. Each name has a story often linked to the individual achievements or family lineage.
Summer means berries. The first berry feast celebrates the harvest, honoring the different types of berries like huckleberries and choke cherries.
Baskets made from natural materials are vital for gathering and storing food, showcasing the artistry and skills passed down through generations.
These baskets are not only functional but also beautiful, often featuring intricate designs that signify family lineage or tribal identity.
In fall, it is time for hunting and gathering salmon, deer, and other resources are prepared for winter, ensuring the community stays nourished.
The knowledge of the land passed down through generations helps tribes navigate the seasonal cycles effectively. The fall harvest is a busy time filled with preparation for the cold months ahead.
The community comes together to smoke and dry fish and essential processes for winter sustenance.
Leadership in the tribes was traditionally democratic, with chiefs and women playing vital roles in decision-making.
Chiefs were chosen based on merit, character, and service to the community. Women held significant influence, ensuring a balance in leadership roles.
Decisions were made with input from all, reflecting a strong sense of community and collective responsibility. This democratic approach has shaped the tribal governance that exists today.
The Confederated Tribes of the Colville Reservation are a vibrant community, deeply connected to their land and traditions.
Their seasonal rounds and cultural practices remind us of the importance of living in harmony with nature and honoring the past.
If you're inspired to learn more, consider reaching out to local tribes or cultural organizations to understand their stories and traditions better.